Hey guys, it's another unboxing with 3 parcels, and we're gonna start off with this one. Oh, let me try.
Carefully, it's sharp.
Yeah, don't worry, I know. Hold the red bit.
Oops, that's it. Cut this way.
There we go. Yeah. Ever cut yourself with one of those?
I was cut that way. And never cut towards yourself.
Oh, I think I know what this is. It's an American VHS for Apocalypse Now Redux.
Wow.
First NTS. Yep, first NTS. Ooh, Canadian. 2001. There's tape part 2. The 49th week of 2001. American one. 49th week of term 1. Interesting, I gotta say. Yeah. There's that. Now we're gonna do this one, because this one seems a bit smaller than that one. So always cut away from myself.
Yeah. Yeah. So. Yeah, because if you cut towards yourself, you could end up cutting yourself.
There we go. These are the. Looks like these are the James Dean trilogy. Let's see, we've got East of Eden, front, spine, and back. Oh, display copy, 1995. Oh, these are display copies or something. Interesting. Oh, these are like samplers or something. They're like display copies, which is interesting. Rebel Without a Cause, this one has trouble closing. By the back, 1925. Interesting, I wasn't expecting to get this. There we go. And Giant. Front spine the back. This one's 1995 as well. Once again, a display copy. Interesting. It's very interesting, actually. And now the last and heaviest one.
Remember, cut away. Cut away from you.
That's what I'm trying to do.
I always make sure, because you've got an inch there, see, Calvin?
Yeah.
Make sure you cut that way.
Yeah, I know.
Because sometimes it can fold, and that will cut your fingers.
Yeah.
Quite packaged well, isn't it? No.
Now you want to do one slice down the front.
Yeah. See this?
Oh God, this one's got a lot of packaging to it.
There's a lot of packaging to it.
This is one of the most excruciating parcels I've ever had to unbox. And what a coincidence. With all that, there's still more.
So we won 21 grand.
I can't seem to find which is the easiest bit to open. Oh. Should be able to open some of these.
We did do this up, didn't we?
Yeah. What, was he going to drop it out of a plane?
I don't know, and another lot.
How much is there? Oh my God, look, there's questions about.
Oh no.
Easy. Do, push pineapple shake the tree. Do, push pineapple grind coffee. That's easy. That's easy. Oh. How much is there on this thing?
Oh God. Must have taken them 4 hours to wrap up.
My dad's reaction, the first. Oh, if my dad ever had a question like that, I don't know what he'd say. If he was on a game show and he had a question about Agadoo, what would your reaction be?
I'd probably know it, to be fair.
Even if my dad don't. Right, here we go. Now we can see what we got. Holy Christ, that was hard. Let's see what we got. Don Juan DeMarco. This is a Marlon Brando box set. A very hard to open Marlon Brando box set. Let's see what you get. This is all. Oh. I've seen some hard to open packages, but this is something else. Viva Japata! Front spot in the back, CBS box, did release 1990. 1989 on the label, that's a bit inconsistent. CBS Fox video, the brand new collection. Next one up, a streetcar named Desiree. Desire. Why do I keep pronouncing it wrong?
Desiree.
1995 VHS, 1950. Refilm. Reprint. 15th of March, 1997. Apocalypse Now, original widescreen version. Cool. What time I got this? The Wild One. 1995. Yep. Inside appears to be an original printing. Yep. Next one up is The Last Tango in Paris, 100th Century Collection in New Modern Classics 1997 VHS. Oh, it comes with the booklets and everything. That's cool. Reprint, 24th of February 1999. Or the 1997 VHS. Two more. It's The Godfather in widescreen. Cool. Front spine on the back, 1997 VHS. Got information about the Godfather on the inside. And last one up is The Missouri Breaks. A very cool art, gotta say. Quarter video release 1989. It's a reprint. 18th of September 1998. Very late reprint, gotta say. So that was a really good update, I've gotta say. Despite the fact that Marlon Brando packaging was like, I don't know how to even describe that packaging.
Super hard to get open.
Yes. Anyway, folks, we hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks for watching, and bye.